So before I get started showing you guys the room where I live in, a little bit about myself. So I was born in Serbia, Belgrade, Serbia, the capital of Serbia. I'm also Croatian because my other side of the family is Croatian. For most of my life, I used to play basketball, so that was around for 12 years. I used to play 1 year pro before I tore my ACL, and initially I was supposed to play basketball for Drexel, but since I got injured, that never happened. I came to the States for the first time my freshman year, so that was 2016. And upon coming to the States, I was immediately recruited on campus to be a varsity crew member, and I trained with the team for about a month until I was a fully part of the team, which was a really amazing experience. And I did that for a year until my sophomore year. And my sophomore year, I became a student ambassador. I also rushed the fraternity. I joined many organizations within the campus, and I also got a job in the admissions office call center. So I put crew on the side, focused on mainly my academics, and it was at that time that I also applied for this study abroad program in Shanghai, China. And right now I'm studying at Shanghai Jiaotong University Joint Institute with University of Michigan. So basically what it is it's sorry for the noise outside. So basically what this is a Shanghai Jiaotong University is one of the oldest one of the oldest schools here in China, and it's one of the most prestigious universities in the Asia and generally in the world for engineering. So some time ago, University of Michigan and Shanghai Jiaotong University made this entire joint institute, and they they tried to bring a more international experience here, so they were recruiting a lot of international students. And also a while ago, this became an opportunity for Drexel students to apply here and study here for 1 term. And this is the beginning of the term, and you guys will see how my story will look like. So I'll show you guys a bit about my room. So this is my work desk. This is where I do most of my work. The place is pretty small. This is all the stuff I have here. A bunch of souvenirs I got here from China, and a lot of school supplies, a lot of cables for my camera, a lot of cables and plugs for my phone. So turn on the lights. So this is how my room looks like. So as soon as you enter this door right here, this is the bathroom. This is the shower room. This is the toilet. And upon entering here, you would see that the entire room is actually pretty small. And I live it here with 4 more guys. So for 4 people, it's a pretty small space, and you have bunk beds here. But my bed here, it's currently on the ground because I prefer not to sleep up because the mattress is so thick. And if I decide to sleep up, I would be afraid that I would roll onto and fall onto the floor. So this mainly serves as my clothing drying hanger. So this is the entire room. These are my roommates' desk who are currently away. So this is my terrace. This is the view from the terrace. So yeah, this is my room, and I gotta hop off to one of my classes and to one of the canteens where I usually eat. So you guys will see how my journey looks like.